So basically, on the 31st of March, when I had announced this in Mairang, there was a demand, or there was a request by the people of the area that the district should be made functional at the earliest. And they had requested that as soon as May 2021. And that time, if you remember, the COVID numbers had started to come down. Based on that, I mentioned to the people that there is a lot of homework that needs to be done. So therefore, we may not be able to do it in May. I'll try my best to finish it before 15th of August. And that is what I had given my previous statement based on. In the meantime, we had a second wave of COVID that came in. And a lot of things could not move in the way we wanted it to move. And accordingly, I had discussions with the public and the local leaders from the area. And we have jointly agreed that let the COVID situation improve. And once the COVID situation improves, then accordingly, we will fix a time and go ahead with the inauguration. So that is the current status of that.